Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi 13. Now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. So firstly, remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. So I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So firstly, you need to take the cover off if you have. Then insert the one part of the toothbrush into the connector and just brush the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.